Hey everyone, Anna here. This is my YouTube channel and in this video we will unbox the Goody Box. It is my favorite box and it's a monthly subscription for makeup. The principle is as following. I pay €20 and every month I receive this box full of makeup, which is every time a surprise what it will be. Every time it's different and it's worth more than €60. 5 or 6 products or so. Exciting, right? So let's go. Spoiler alert, all these products together cost a bit less than €70. I will remind you, in my hands I have Goody Box. Which month is it? February 2021. It came on Monday. This is a working day and I have a small working break. Instead of coffee break, I'm at home, I don't drink coffee, so that's my break. Let's open it. I see that this box is somehow special. It's called Pop the Confetti. You see the slogan on the box. As you can see, it's a bit shiny. Inside it is purple, nice as always. As I said, the theme of this box is Pop the Confetti, right? We already saw it on the box. A lot of words. We have some leaflet, I will look at it later because the product is inside. The sticker is shiny as well. I think I should tell you that I didn't get any golden ticket. I never get it. There is something going on, and if you get the golden ticket there are some limited amounts, 5 or something, then you get some price. Every month is different. It can be I think it was a spa day at some very expensive hotel once, or €250 for some clothes. Anyway, I don't get it, I don't check it. Number 1, it's a brush. It's two-sided brush, or not? Yes, it is. It's a two-sided brush. Let's see. The Multitasker from Nire Beauty. Multitasker, twice as nice, makeup, multitasking. Apply your favorite concealer or shadow. I don't use concealer though. And also, how do you save those brushes? I mean, the way I do it, I put it in the glass, but then there's a brush on this side. And I also opened it and I don't know how to close it because it gets messy. This brush costs not more, not less, €20. Is it expensive? I think it's expensive. Maybe professionals who especially value the quality of the brush would say that it's normal. Let's put it back in the package. Next one is this small bottle. It's called the Perfect Hair Oil. Hair protection with love. It's from Beaver. So I think it's made in China. Yeah, made in PRC. PRC is China. People's Republic of China. It's 30 milliliters, which I think it's sample size. Let's check it out. Is it? Boom, boom, boom. Guys, this is not even here. This is not on the leaflet. This thing is from this paper, so I'll read it. Oh, so I see now. First, there had to be a cream, Hydra Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream from Figs and Rouge with a value of €40, but somehow we don't get it because they had some problems with inventory, whatever, and they are happy to replace it with this hair oil, which value is €15. 15 versus 40. Is it a fair replacement? I don't know. And also it's a full size. 30 milliliters for €15. And the next product, I think it's some kind of a mask. And it is. It's for your décolleté. It's called Luxurious Cream Sheet Mask for the upper chest. And it helps to restore elasticity and firmness, smoothing and moisturizing. You put it for 15 minutes and then you're shining everywhere. Never used, never heard of that. Let's try it. The price is €8. This mask is from Mikura, so actually all the masks from Mikura, they're in this price range. The following product, it's this small box. I think it's a sample size, made in France. A Respire Natural Face Wash. So it's kind of a soap. Let's see. It's not kind, it is a soap for your face. It smells fantastic. Linseed. What's linseed? Sunflower. There's organic shea butter, sunflower oil, some other stuff. Oh, it smells amazing. Maybe because it's from France and they're so good in perfumes and those kind of stuff. This soap, it costs €9 for 50 grams and this is 16. I mean, it's just €9. Why couldn't they give us the full size? I don't understand. So this thing, it's about €2, €3. Oh well. But it smells wonderful. I think it's the last product we will have. Yes, it's huge. Repair shampoo from eCooking. eCooking is, maybe you remember, from Denmark. I made a video about the limited edition eCooking box. On this tube there is also a tip how to use this shampoo. So you wash your hair 2 times during the shower. First time you use the shampoo with a multi-oil. I don't know what the multi-oil is. And the second time you use the shampoo without multi-oil. But if we don't have multi-oil, I will just use the shampoo. What's the price? It's €23. There, I think. I hope I like it. The last small paper we got is from this brand Respire. It gives us 15% discount for our purchase until April, and we should just use the code GoodieBox15. And this soap, it smells amazing, so who knows, maybe I will order some for myself. That was it about this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it as well as I did, and if you want to see more, just check out some other videos of mine, and if you want to see my future videos and you don't want to miss on them, just subscribe here in the bottom. For the rest, have a nice day or night.